Alrighty, so what's up guys? Before I start this full video, I want to give you guys a quick update with the free pit bike build series. I know it's been like 4 days since I've last uploaded. Sorry about that. I'm going to make it up to you guys. I've just been pretty busy with some things. But we've also had some great news with the free pit bike, and it will be coming in next video after this one because I need to upload today for you guys. But I figured I'd give you guys a little bit of a sneak peek before you guys watch today's video. So here's the pit bike. Some of you guys don't know about this already. This is our newest build series. It's a 2003 Honda XR70 that I found in the garbage. And we got this thing running, making it look good. And now we're doing a supermoto conversion. And as you guys know, I've been having the problems with trying to find wheels for this thing that will match the stock rims. And I brought it to a shop to see if they can find some, but they said that the tires I bought will definitely not fit. And I know that one of them did, and they said that the other one would not fit either, but I have some good news about that one, which I'll be sharing with you guys in next video with it. But for the one that didn't fit, I contacted a company and they told me about tires that may fit, and I did go ahead and order one, and here's the package that came in the mail, and we will be unboxing it in next video, so definitely stay tuned for next video. It's going to be a good one. But let's just say that this thing may or may not be running and driving once again as a supermoto. We'll see. So guys, that was just my little update that I just felt like giving you, so stay tuned for next video. It is definitely going to be full of progress. But anyway guys, enjoy the rest of the vid. Hey guys, Mix here, and in today's video, as you guys could tell, I'm not in my normal location, but if you guys saw the video when working on that 1984 Honda ATC200 ES, 200 ES, you saw that we got it running, me and Sean. There's Sean.
Yeah.
We got this thing running, but if you guys remember, there was a ton of fuel leaking out from the carb into the airbox, and it wasn't running right at all. It was bogging, it was just not right. Took forever to start. We drilled into the side of the carb. Yeah, Sean, 2,000 poles or something like that. We drilled into the carb, JB welded it, and it worked for the meantime just to get it fired up, but it's not a permanent thing. But Sean here got a package in the mail. I have not seen this yet, so we're both going to be seeing it at the same time.
Well, I already saw it.
Oh yeah, well, me and the viewers are going to be seeing it at the same time. So we'll do a little unboxing. Dang.
Kel Kong.
Ooh.
Oh, she's Chinese, boys.
Oh, yep. Manufactured equipment from China. But whatever works, works. Today, we're going to put this thing on, and hopefully it'll run. And actually, Sean hooked up the battery for it. Now, when we turn the key, you can see neutral. Last time we had no idea if it was a neutral or not, but now we know.
And reverse works.
And reverse. And the lights. Tail light. And headlights. So that is awesome.
Low beam and high beam.
Dang, that's actually pretty nice.
Electric start doesn't work.
Oh, it doesn't. Dang it. Alright, so I guess we're going to keep pulling. But hopefully with this new carb, it'll take like first pull, hopefully. But anyway, let's get to installing this thing. Alright, so before I came, Sean already took off the 2 bolts that hold the carburetor onto the intake boot. So all that we really have to do is just take off the throttle. Bless you.
Thank you.
Take off the throttle, take it off of the air box boot, and then that's pretty much it. Pull that thing out and swap it out. There we go. Alright. And also I forgot about the choke cable, so we gotta just unscrew that. So it looks like on the old carburetor that we're gonna have to take off that red part that holds the choke cable, because on the new one it looks like it doesn't have it, so we probably just gotta put it under this screw. Oh, it does have it?
Yeah, I think. I don't know. Just give me a screwdriver,
Yeah,
please.
I think it is. Oh, alright. What kind?
Phillips.
Alright, Phil. Where's Phil?
Phil, where are you? It's underneath the socket drawer. Pull it out. Snap on. Snap on the arm.
Ah,
There we go.
haha.
That's the one that we used the last time.
Nice.
For the sake of the vid.
Chilly, but I don't know. Yeah. There we go. Old carb is officially completely off. Sean wants to take off the float on the old carburetor just to see how nasty it is.
JB Weld still holds it up,
Oh,
boys.
is it? Yeah, that came out great. The gas we were using, I don't know, the gas kind of got dirty from the gas tank, so it might be kind of nasty inside. There could be JB Weld in there, who knows.
Oh, that's cool. Come on. Oh, freaking water bottle.
All right, let's see.
Oh, so much gas.
It's not that bad. After looking at it, we're definitely gonna have to just unscrew that Phillips head screw. Unscrew that one, then just take off this red piece and put it on that. Nice and easy, and then we'll get to putting it back on. Now do the old switcheroo. Yep, lines right up. Alright, so we got the throttle all hooked up. Now we're just working with the choke. We ran into an issue with the carb. This one didn't have the spring that is supposed to return it back. So, we're gonna have to rob the old one.
Ow!
We're gonna rob this one
me.
off of the old one. Oh, yeah. And, yeah, we're gonna put it on this one, so that's kind of annoying, but it's gotta be done. So it is quite a while later. The whole problem was that this cable was too far up and it wouldn't go down all the way. So that kind of sucks. But the spring is on there now, so it's good to have, I guess, anyway. We're going to start sliding this thing on there, and the thing should hopefully be up and running soon.
I'll cut the engine off.
Higher up and more fluid. Higher.
You think I'm trying that?
So Sean's put on one nut, I'm put on the other.
It's in my dad's boat. It won't go down.
That's getting bleeped. Alright. Tighten mine. Is yours tightened down?
I don't even have mine on yet.
Mine's nice and tight by the finger. We're not going to put on the air boot just for now because this thing doesn't even have a filter. And quite honestly, it's probably going to be cleaner taking air just from out here than in there because it's still pretty dirty in there. Yeah. But it's fine now. This thing ain't going to be going off-roading or anything. But I do always suggest to run an air filter, obviously. Alright, so the carb is all mounted up.
Oh, come on.
So now we're hooking up the line to the fuel tank. Taking out some of the excess fuel from the last time, as you guys can see how dirty it is. Once that's all clean and we have all the line hooked up, then it'll be time to fire this puppy up. So the ATC is rolled outside, and we have the fuel line kind of rigged up for now, but we're just gonna test for leaks quick, and then if there's no leaks, then we'll try and fire it up. Alright, fuel filters filled up. No leaks. Alright, here we go. It is, I guess it's time. Should we turn on the key? Because why not?
Yeah, well, you have to.
Oh, yeah, true. Alright, here we go. Double check for any leaks. Oh, the choke's not on. Here we go. Woo! That was quick. Dang. You could already tell she's running way better. Not sure how this goes on, but just gotta raise the idle once it's warm. Other than that, it sounds really, really good. There we go. How'd she feel? Nice. She got high up. Oh yeah, let's see. Test out this reverse. Ah, she died. Let me get a screwdriver and I'll raise the idle. I want to start her up quick and I'll try and raise this idle. Ooh, my screw's kind of in there. Oh, I got the thing idling on its own now. So I've got its helmet on. Let's try this out. Reverse doesn't work. Yeah, try. Try up. Dang. Looks like reverse doesn't work unless we're doing something wrong. Alrighty guys, so the ATC is running really good. If you guys remember last time, this thing like barely even ran, so that carb definitely worked wonders. It doesn't leak at all anymore, even with our rigged up fuel lines. I mean, it's mint. But anyway guys, I'm gonna be ending the video here. Let me know down in the comments if you guys want to see more with this ATC. I know a lot of guys loved it when we last showed the video with it. So definitely comment down below. Stay tuned for the free pit bike build series, which I might be adding this onto another build video with it, but we'll just see how it comes out. But anyway guys, stay tuned for awesome videos coming soon. But thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, tell your friends about the channel.